Edwin Watenya Sifuna arrived in Homa Bay in style. So, hello and hope we are doing great, and welcome to my Gen Z TV news. And it is tomorrow, Sunday, 16th August 2026, the long awaited rally in Homa Bay. Here it comes. Linda Mwananchi leaders led by Sifuna are already in Homa Bay, ready for the big day. And leaders have been throwing tantrums towards each other. Threats have been sent. Claims have been made. Temperature is very high. Homa Bay is on a limelight. Everybody will be in Homa Bay tomorrow, either physically on the ground or through social media, that is Facebook, YouTube, and the other platforms. So watch the preparation of the rally. So here, as you see the situation, things are boiling well. Homa Bay is ready for Linda Mwananchi. And as you know, Babu and Orengo were absent in Linda Mwananchi rally in Kakamega. They were here on Homa Bay ground, preparing things and making the ground ready for the upcoming rally tomorrow. That is why they missed the Kakamega rally with the Linda Mwananchi. Orengo has also been here in Siaya, and they have been giving reports on the plans that have been taking place in secrets in this county. And this is just a sample of what will happen tomorrow. Homa Bay residents are really waiting for Linda Mwananchi, and as Babu Wino was interacting with them, they were very happy waiting for the whole Linda Mwananchi brigade. And on the same, Peter Kaluma has warned Linda Mwananchi leaders using the word one term while in Homa Bay because it will bring chaos once they mention that word one term.
One term is incitement to violence in Homa Bay town constituency. One word.
So, do you think it is fair for a leader to dictate the kind of words that Linda Mwananchi will use in that region? That's not liberation that our fathers fought for. I guess any leader can say anything, as far as it's not bringing disunity and violence in our country. And then here is Rigathi Gachagua giving information that his intelligence has collected, that this is what might happen to Linda Mwananchi on Sunday in Homa Bay. Listen to Rigathi Gachagua revealing what he has been told by his secret intelligence.
PS Raymond Omolo and Governor Gladys Wanga have planned violence in Homa Bay to disrupt the rallies that are being held there by leader Mwananchi. The president did promise that goons allowed anywhere in the republic. He did promise that all goons will be arrested. So far, no arrests have been made. Despite his assurances, I have credible intelligence that PS Raymond Omolo and Gladys Wanga have organized on Sunday goons to beat people and kill people in Homa Bay against leader Mwananchi. I want to ask President William Ruto, can you instruct PS Raymond Omolo to stop organizing goons to attack leader Mwananchi in Homa Bay? Can you instruct Gladys Wanga, the person you have promised to be your running mate, to stop organizing goons against leader Mwananchi in Homa Bay?